Science!
And 1, 2. Woo! Woo! Dance. How? Well, we've got some other rocks that we can look at, but we've been told not to scratch. And we don't know what these are. We do know what they are. We don't know. I don't know. And we're not gonna know because we're not gonna scratch them. But this is a rock. That is a rock.
I've been told now that there are 3 kind of rocks. There's sedimentary.
Yeah, that's one.
Igneous.
That's another one.
And metamorphic. Metamorphic, that's correct. Now, based on the cut here, the side view, what would you say that is? Would you say it looks more like there's different sediments laying down?
I would say that there are. I mean, there are different colored things, and sure, I would say that this kind of reddish orange bit here is different than this tannish bit here, but not in a way that a regular sedimentary rock, I don't think. Okay, I think it's much too mixed, but there's a part here.
So it can be made from the pressures and the heat of the inner core of the earth.
Oh, absolutely. See how on this one though, there's like, you can see there's kind of layers within this one part.
Yeah.
But it kind of goes into like goofy shapes and stuff. You know, rocks can do that. Rocks can go in different shapes. So if you have like a sedimentary rock, you can have like a layer, a layer, a layer, a layer. But based on like tectonic movements, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides, whatever, you could have one that has that same kind of flow, but in like a goofy shape. Here's a picture. There it is. Yeah. How neat is that? Science. Weird that stuff like that happens. It's not crazy.
Look at this one. I just
Yeah. What you got?
Little,
oh, wow.
Like a little robin's egg.
Well, this one, robins
lay eggs.
Blue.
They are a bird.
Isn't it blue?
I think it can be whatever color you want.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this one is definitely a lot smoother, but I think it's been polished to some effect. That is an interesting rock, for sure. To say the least. This is interesting because like the bottom part is definitely like, well, and who's to say what's top and bottom? But that one bottom part there is like all one color, and then the rest is like this yellowy,
mustardy color
snot. Have you ever produced a yolk of some sort from your body?
No, my body is a temple, and therefore only healthy things are produced.
Yeah. Hey, you have this in your house.
I do. I have a lot of it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Too much of it, some would say.
Look at it, check this guy out. If this doesn't look like something lifted straight out of Harry Potter, then I don't know. Look at this! Look at that.
You can actually see the structure of how it's made up on the inside.
On the inside, so there's like a little sliver going this way here, but you can also see by like the texture that there's some that goes like this way. There's some that goes like this way. Isn't that interesting? Crazy.
And look, we have a little sedimentary rock here. You can
there we go.
See the different layers of mineral crushed on top of one another, all laid out. You get the different colors throughout there. And actually, when you polish the rock, you can see it a little bit better. Different
Look at that. That is one layer, and that is another one.
Yeah.
How about that?
That's pretty neat. What other rocks we got here?
We've got a couple more. I think these are this is the last bag.
Oh no, we got
this
brilliant blue one. A turquoise, as it were. Now look at that ocean blue.
Wowee!
That is a shiny ocean blue if I've ever seen one.
I've never seen the ocean, so I'll just take your word for it.
Imagine the sky.
Yeah.
Down.
Oh God, it's upside down?
No, the sky is still there, but it's also down. And there's clouds are waves, and birds are fish, planes are boats. A quite simple concept to understand.
Simple. We are in Lincoln, Nebraska. We don't know what the oceans are. We're not a shore town. But we got plenty of rocks around us.
So come on down.
A lot of fools gold. A lot of sprinkles gold.
Sprinkles gold.
That was interesting for sure, for rocks. I think we've learned a lot. Kids, don't be afraid to play with rocks. Don't throw them. Learn as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to always look for the science around you, and we'll see you in the next experiment.
All right.
Metamorphic heat and pressure, sedimentary erosion and weather, igneous red hot magma cool.